Okay, so I've got the blocks trimmed, so they're here. Very satisfying, nice pile of blocks there. So now you need to prepare the binding. So I've cut strips across the width of the fabric. If you've got some spray starch, it will help them be more stable and will help. I've actually run out, so I'm just going to have to be very careful that I don't distort the fabric. So for the back, you need binding strips that are 1 inch wide. You can have the same colour front and back for your binding, or else you can use different colours, which is ever you prefer. I'm using white on both sides. It was basically because I knew I would have enough to do all the binding with that. For your front, you need some strips cut at 1.5 inches, and then they're pressed in half. So that is what you need to do for this time to get ready. And I'll be back very soon with the next stage where we're going to be joining our rows together.